Welcome to the JavaScript section. JavaScript is very powerful and a popular programming language. We can do many things with it, including we can change HTML content. We can change HTML styles to make them look different. We can hide and show elements, like our mobile menu, where you can hide and show the drop-down. We can change HTML attribute values, like the width and height of elements. We can create functions to do whatever we want to in JavaScript. One example is a mobile menu. So where do we put our JavaScript? Well, the same as CSS, we can put it on the HTML document itself. Only JavaScript will go inside a script tag on the HTML document. Or we can put it in an external JavaScript file and then link to it in the HTML document with the script source equals myjs.js. A lot of times for performance users, people might actually put the JavaScript in a script on the HTML page so there's less round trips for the server to do to fetch files. Let's have a look at what we'll cover in the JavaScript section. We'll go over variables. They allow us to store and manipulate data. Get element by ID. That allows us to access elements on the page and do whatever we want to them. If then else loops, these are very powerful. We can say if this condition is true, then do this with the CSS. One example would be like in a mobile nav menu. If the browser size is small, then display the mobile menu. We'll also cover functions. Allow us to do anything we want with the JavaScript. These functions can be called in the HTML, for example, when a button is clicked. And we'll see an example of a mobile menu, start to finish.